Welcome to iPEC's UCE mobile application video for iOS. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for iOS. When first entering your app, you will need to log in with your credentials. If you have already logged into the app today, you will not need to re-log in. You can just open the application to take you straight through. Along the bottom of the UCE app, there are tabs for different features of the application. You can scroll with your finger to view and select the different features available. To place a call, select the call icon. Here you can dial a number to call. As you type the number, matching contacts will be shown from your iPEC's cloud directory. If the number is not in your directory, you can still place the call as normal. Press the call key to place the call. Once on the call, you can press the speaker button to place the call onto your phone's loudspeaker. Pressing the mute button will disable your phone's microphone so you cannot be heard while still listening to the call. Pressing the hold button will place the caller on hold, upon which neither party can hear each other. If you have any questions regarding a UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.